today I'm going to be installing the Ermax nose fairing. So it's this onto my lovely Triumph Trident here. So the instructions look pretty straightforward. Here are all the bits out of the box. So we've got the fairing, the windshield, and all the fixings there in the brackets.
And what look do you hope this will give?
A retro, more of a retro.
More like a bikini fairing from the late 70s, early 80s. Sorry, it's not about me, is it?
Yeah, I'd like to give, I love this bike, absolutely love it. It did have a big windshield on it, but it looked horrible, so I took it off. But on the motorway I was holding on for dear life, so I need something there, I think. And this, the Ermax one, is a lot smaller, which might be rubbish and not do anything at all, but I like the look of it. So I'm going to install it, put it on, and then see what it looks like, and then think about what vinyl stickers to cut to make it look pearly. Okay, let's go. Okay, part one, disassembly. So I've got to disassemble the headlight. So it looks like it's just taking that bolt off from underneath there. So
What tools are you using today?
today I'm using, was this a 17?
It could well be.
17mm ratchet,
Very
14mm spanner, minding the mudguard. Is that all that's holding that on? Okay, have we got a magnetic dish or anything?
Yes.
We do.
At the end of my toolbox.
This is a 9mm Allen key. Right, that's number one done. Number two, so we've got this bracket which needs to go under the headlight, attaches to the original bracket. Oh, it's too dark in there, isn't it?
It is too dark. So let's see if I've got another light.
Attach on here, that's okay. There, and then the light fits into that part of the bracket.
So you've got that right. Sure, let go of this headlight.
What now? This is holding the headlight back on the bike. So that's good. Right, headlight's not going to fall off now. So, right, number three. So we've got three brackets. This one down the bottom, those two that look different on the diagram, but they're completely the same. So this one, that goes into that threaded bit at the front of the bracket that I've just put under the headlight. So we need number 14, which is, there's only one. So to put this bracket on down here, we should have one of these screws, number 14. On the back, number 14 is this Allen bolt there, and there should be one of them. There should be, all these are Allen bolts, so 5, 6, 10. So there should be 10 different sized ones, but we've got 10 all exactly the same sized ones, so we're going to try and see if this one will fit in the bracket. It's going that way round, it's smiling at us. Now we're on to number 3, assembly. So we've put the front bracket on already. Now we're doing these brackets that attach to the yoke. So we need the bolts, Allen bolts that we took out, the brackets and the spacers. Don't forget the spacers. So that goes in between that. That goes on there like that.
This is very good.
Anyone would think I've done this before.
Yeah.
No spacer. Right, that's those two. That's number 3 done. I need 2 of those. And they're gonna pop in here.
Ooh.
And here. Okay.
Stopping.
So that's all of that done. Bolts in, washers in. Those. Haven't put those in. That is also, what are they? 17 wide rubber inserts. So that's those 2. 2 of them. Oops, those 2. They go in there. Right, so is that everything? Inserts, 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 inserts. Screwed it in the front. Okay, number 4. Montage, assembly. So all of those should line up. Right, let's have a look. So we've got that one. Hey. And then we can adjust the headlight after. Can I better get in there to adjust the headlight? Yes, I can. That looks right. I'll just nip it up a bit there. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 there. 5. 1, 2. So that's all of those. So that's all that, then put it on, then put the windshield on. Still got loads of washers left. Why? It's not showing any, they must just be spare. What fun. So that was the first part of number 4 done. That bit coming, that all went on really, really easily. Just a bit of pulling about to line up the holes around the side there. So the windshield. Okay, I like it. You asked how much it was?
I did.
This lovely
Ensemble.
Ermax, if that's
Yeah,
what it
I think
Ermax
so.
screen fairing deflector in matte black. 163 quid delivered. It's because I'm rushing.
Why are you rushing?
So I've got to go to the hairdresser.
Don, who's not a girly lady, although she's looks lovely and girly and everything, and as you can tell, she's more of a tomboy. But she's off to the hairdressers today. Have her
Yeah,
hair,
having my hair
have a hairdo.
tried cutting it myself.
Did a lovely job.
Didn't work very well.
No, it looked lovely.
Alright, well,
So that was today's project.
job done. I do love it.
I think it's brilliant.
Need to get it outside and have a look.
Yeah, do you want to do it now or should we do it tomorrow?
The hairdressers. Don't like hairdressers.
So everybody a new fringe.
No. I'll show you later.
Yeah.
Good job. Hi again. I'm back from the hairdressers. That was yesterday. And I'm still wearing a hat, so that tells you everything you need to know.
It looks great.
So, yesterday we put this fairing on, which I absolutely love, but it highlighted how horrible these are. I went on Amazon as soon as I realised that I didn't like these, got these delivered, next day delivery. So they're, in comparison, that size. So still pretty big, but obviously going on down here. So we'll see. Ta-da! Better already. Loads better already. The first part of this installation then is to take off the bar ends and see what we've got underneath. Here's the new mirrors that I've bought. So that's what I'm used to, putting that into the end of a handlebar and tightening up and that being the way it secures, but that's not going to work on the Triumph. So we need to disassemble this. Carefully. That should go over the end of the bar. Maybe having to use a spacer. Let's go and have a look. Right, let's put the spacer on there. It fits. I think that's going to look pretty good.
That's the case.
These are the original bar end covers that I've just taken off, and they come with quite a short little Allen bolt. So I found some longer ones to go through now, because they're not sitting the same with the mirrors on anymore. They're sitting further out. Tighten that up all the way yet until I know what position I need them in. Nice. There's that one. And that end. Just that one. Ah. Alright, putting the spacer on the throttle side, but not flush to the throttle, obviously, because we want that to move freely. Right, throttle check. Still good. Okay. They're a really good size.
Are they?
They look really clear. Can't tell until I get it outside. Yeah. I love the look.